Hello everyone, today I am here to discuss the types of hypersensitivity. As in my previous video we have already known what is hypersensitivity. So we'll start with hypersensitivity type 1, and hypersensitivity type 1 is also called immediate because the symptoms or they last for only few minutes. They come out within few minutes, and it is also called IgE mediated hypersensitivity. IgE mediated hypersensitivity. Why? We will know the mechanism and then we will get to know. For hypersensitivity type 1 is the IgE, and IgE is mainly for allergic reaction. We all know that when there is any antigen, the foreign body that comes to our body, it may be in the form of food, drug, sting, anything. For that we will take that as antigen. Now for example we are taking it as bee sting. The antigen is the bee sting. This antigen will go to the B cells, the B lymphocytes. The B lymphocytes will form the plasma cells, and the plasma cells will form the IgE. This IgE is only specific to the bee sting. This formation of the IgE is specific to the bee sting. This IgE will go and sit, where will this IgE go? It will go and sit on the mast cell. So this will be like this. The IgE will go and sit on the mast cell. This is the mast cell. The IgE is going and sitting on the mast cell. This entire process can also be called as antigen sensitization. Why? Because we did not know that the bee sting will cause allergy. We don't know it yet. That's why because of the bee sting, this antigen caused sensitization of the immunoglobulin E, and this was for the first contact. So this can also be called as first contact. Now there will be taking place of the second contact too. The bee sting may bite you again for the second time. What happens in the second time is there is already the presence of the mast cell. Now there is IgE sitting on the mast cell. The antibody is already present on the mast cell because of the first contact. Now the allergen, again the bee sting, will come and sit on the antibody. This antigen will sit on the antibody. The combination of this antibody and antigen will lead to degranulation. So in degranulation, what will happen? The breaking of the mast cell will be there. The degranulation, breaking of the mast cell. When there is breaking of a mast cell, the inside of the mast cell will come out. That will be BAS. BAS is biologically active substance. We can take an example of BAS, that is histamine. Histamine is a BAS. So when there is combination of antigen and antibody here, there will be degranulation, because of which there will be breaking down of the mast cell. So the BAS will come out. The BAS is the example of BAS is histamine. What will histamine do? It will cause allergy, and this allergy will lead to itching. Now the thing that we need to notice is that during the first contact there was no release of histamine, so there was no allergy. But during the second contact there is release of histamine, which causes allergy, which causes itching. Now the allergy will be causing the bronchoconstriction and vasodilation. These bronchoconstriction and vasodilation together are called anaphylaxis. Anaphylaxis. So then again we got another name for hypersensitivity type 1, that is anaphylactic reaction. Anaphylactic reaction. There is again another name for hypersensitivity type 1, that is region reaction. Why is it called region reaction? Because it is because of IgE immunoglobulin, and the other name of IgE immunoglobulin is region. That's why this is called region reaction 2. Now, for example, we take something for hypersensitivity is the hypersensitivity we can type 1 is because of mainly it's the allergy, which can be due to food allergy or drug allergy or bee sting. All the allergens, it can be anything, but all the allergens.